Good day, good day. We are continuing with fractions. Today we look at addition and subtraction of fractions. Take for example, we have the two problems, 1 over 4 plus 2 over 4. If the denominator is the same, if the two fractions share the same denominator, you simply add the numerator. So 1 over 4 plus 2 over 4 is equal to 3 over 4. Remember, the denominator is the bottom one, the numerator is the top part. Then we have, so our denominator is 4, then the answer will have a denominator of 4, then we add the numerator. Now look at this case, 5 over 4 plus 5 over 3. Those are improper fractions, of course. If the denominators are not the same, you can't then add the numerator or you add the denominators. You need to always convert those fractions into the same denominator. You will remember from junior school, we talked about lowest common multiple. So you look for the lowest common multiple and then use it to get the common denominator. For example, 5 over 4 plus 5 over 3, the lowest common multiple of those denominators is 12. Then 5 over 4 is equivalent to 15 over 12. 5 over 3 is equivalent to 20 over 12. How do we do that? We divide the original denominator into the new denominator, then multiply it to the numerator. In the case of 5 over 4, it's 4 into 12 gives us 3. 3 times 5, we get 15. Then for 5 over 3 is 3 into 12, it gives us 4. Then 4 times 5, 20. So the numerator becomes 20. So it then becomes 15 over 12 plus 20 over 12. You see now, common denominator, then we simply add the numerator, then we get 35 over 12, which we can convert, like the previous lesson, into a mixed number. Since it's an improper fraction, it becomes 2 and 11 over 12. Here is an example, 1/3 plus 2 over 5. So remember, we will need to convert, we will need to have a common denominator. How do we get that? We look for the lowest common multiple of those two denominators. The lowest common multiple of 3 and 5 is 15. Then for the first fraction, we can then say 3 into 15, it gives us 5. Then 5 times 1 is 5. Then our fraction becomes 5 over 15. For the second fraction, 2 over 5, 5 into 15 is 3. 3 times 2, we get 6. So then we get 5 over 15 plus 6 over 15. We simply add the numerator to get 11. Then our answer is 11 over 15. To the second problem, 2.5 plus 5 over 2. If you are given a mixed number, convert it into an improper fraction and then check the denominators. If they are not the same, you use the same procedure as the first example. In this case, 2.5 is 5 over 2 plus 5 over 2 again. The denominators, they are the same, is 2. So simply add the numerator. The numerators, then we get 5 plus 5, 10 over 2. 10 over 2, you can't leave it as 10 over 2. You need to simplify it further. 10 over 2 is 5. Then 2.5 minus 3 over 2. You will get your same procedure as example 2. We will have 5 over 2 minus 3 over 2. 2.5 is 5 over 2. Then the denominator is still the same again. So it's 5. In this case, we are subtracting. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So the numerator is 2. Then our answer is 2 over 2. You can't leave it as it is. 2 over 2 is 1. This last example, you will do it, you will finish it on your own. Convert 1 and 1/3 into an improper fraction. Then you will get 4 over 3 minus half. Then convert that into common denominator and get your answer. Thank you very much.